Welcome to Basic Chinese. Let's talk about numbers today. Let's start from the left-hand side, from 0 through 10. 0, that's 0. 1, that's 1. 2, that's 2. 3, that's 3. 4, that's 4. 5, that's 5. 6, 7, 7. 8, 9. 10. Let's do it again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After that, that's 11. In Chinese, that's 11. That's 10 and 1. It's 11. 11. Then 12. 12. That's 10 and 2. 12. And then 13. 13. 14. 14. 15. 15. 16. 17. 17. 18. 19. And then 20. That's 2 tenths. 20. 21. 2 10 and 1. 21. 22. 23. 24. 26. 27. 28. 29. 30. 3 tenths. 30. 31. 3 10 and 1. 31. 32. And so on. The next one is 40. 40. 4 10. 40. 41. 42. And so forth. 50. 5. 10. 5 10. 50. 51. 52. And then let's come to 60. 60. 6 10. 60. 61. 62. And then 70. 70. 7 tenths. 70. 71. 72. And then 80. 8 tenths. 80. 81. 82. And then 90. 90. 9. 10. 9 tenths. 90. 91. 92. And so on. There's a question about the number 2. Okay, let's explain those two differences between 二 and 两. Both of them means 2. Okay, let's try to tell the difference between those two numbers. 二, they're strictly numbers, such as street numbers, phone numbers, or year. All the digits are read one by one. 2s are read as 二, such as the street numbers 3221 or 3225, 3225. But in Chinese, it's always one digit at a time. 三二二五. The phone numbers 1-800-237-5222. In Chinese, it's read one by one. 1800-237-5222. Or the year, such as 2018. 2018. Okay, for numbers, it is almost always one by one. Let's talk about the other word for 2, which is 两. As a general rule, whenever you are talking about the quantity, you must use the word 两 instead of 二. 两 and not 二. For example, 2 days, 两天. We never say 二天, never. $200, 200元, 元 that's dollars. 200元. Almost never say 200元, but sometimes you do. Maybe 1 or 2% of the people will say 200元, but mostly people say 200元. If you say 200元, you never go wrong. 200元 is a little bit confusing there. It's a little bit unusual for the people to listen to you say 200元. So try to avoid that. 2本书, 2 books. 2 that's 2. Books, 书. 本 that's a unit number for each noun. It's a little bit confusing. Let's talk about it later. 2 students. 2位学生. 2, 2. 位, again, that's a unit. 学生, student. Or students. In Chinese, we never use plural forms. Okay, they're always the same term. No singular or no plural. There's always the singular. 2位学生. 2张纸. 2, 2. 纸, paper. 张, that's a unit for paper. Okay, let's talk about the unit. 2 books. 2本书. 本 is the unit for books. Student. 位. 2位学生. 位 is the unit for students. 2张纸. 2 sheets of papers. 张 that's for papers. In English, there's seldom the word for unit. Almost 2 books, 2 students, 2 papers. And sometimes we have unit in English, such as here, 2 sheets of papers and 2 loaves of bread. Okay. But in Chinese, there's almost always a unit for every single different object, subject, or noun. So you have to remember each one unit is for. What is the unit for that particular noun? It's just very, very confusing. But in English, it's not that much. Okay, 2 sheets of paper, 2 loaves of bread, things like that. But in Chinese, it's almost always, okay, except the first one here, 2 days, 2天. Okay, that is another story. It's a very, very, very difficult to learn. Okay, but just know that there's a difference there for each unit. Let's talk about numbers between beyond 100. 100, 100 that's 100. 100, 100. 200 or 200. Sometimes you can say 200, but most of the time we say 200. Okay, maybe 5% or even less, you say 200, but you almost always say 200. You can never go wrong by saying 200. 300, 300. 300, 400, 400. 500, 500. 600, 600. 700, 700. 800, 800. 900. Please pay attention to 500 and 900. Although they are the third tones for 5 and 9 in Chinese, 5 and 9, but since 百 is a third tone, so the one before that with the third tone should be changed to second tone. 500, 900. We've covered that in the previous videos. Okay, go back to there and you can learn more about the third tone. And beyond 百, beyond 100, that's 1,000. 千, that's 1,000. 1000, that's 1,000. 2000 or 2000, 2000, 2,000. 3000, 3,000. 4000, 4,000. 5000, 5,000. 6000, 6,000. 7000, 7,000. 8000, 8,000. 9000, 9,000. Then let's talk about numbers beyond 1,000. In English, 1,000 is a unit. After 1,000, it's a million. It's 1,000, 1,000. That's a million. But in Chinese, 10,000 or 1 as a unit. 1, they're pronounced just like the English, 1, 2, 3, 1. It's confusing there, but you have to bear with that, okay? 1 in Chinese, that means 10,000. 1, that's 10,000. 2 1, 20,000. Or 2 1, you would almost never use that, okay? 2 1, almost always 2 1. 3 1, 30,000. 4 1, 40,000. 5 1, 50,000. 6 1, 60,000. 7 1, 70,000. 8 1, 80,000. 9 1, 90,000. And then 100,000, that's 10 ones. 10 1, 10 1. A million, that's in English, it's a second stage for the 10,000. 10,000 times 10,000, that's a million. But in Chinese, still under the 1 unit. 100 1, that means a million. 百 1. 1000 1, that's 1,000 1, that's 10 million. 1000 1. 亿, that's 10,000 times 10,000. That's the next level for the unit, number unit. That's 10,000 times 10,000. That's E. E, that's 100 million. And then 10 E, that's 10 E, that's a billion. 100 E, that's 10 billion. 1000 E, that's 100 billion. And then 10,000 times of E, that's in Chinese, that's the next stage, that's a 兆. In English, it's trillion. So 兆 and the trillion are the both next stage for numbers. 兆 and trillion. 兆. Okay. This is a little bit confusing there because the unit of numbers. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.